Man, I can't believe that I got fired from my stupid officer all because I crashed my car to destroy the school. So the thing is, what should I do since the officer fired me from the school? I have a great idea. I'm going to throw a bomb at school, that way the officer won't know that I threw a bomb at school. Ha 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 ha. Let's go.
Man, we can't wait to eat these spaghetti slicers.
But hey, who's running aside us standing? I bet that was Yumi Neki or whoever the hell that is that was running. Now let's continue to eat some spaghetti slicers.
Oh my Nikocado avocado, that was a lot of running. But right now, time to put a bomb to explode the school. Ha 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 ha. Now let's get out of here before someone catches me. Yes, I finally put a bomb to explode the fridge. That's what the officer gets for firing me.
Miss Martin, how dare you put a bomb at school exploding it? Do you know money this school costs? It costs $5,000, and we have to call the firefighters to stop the fire, and we also have to build a newer school thanks to you. That's it. For exploding the school by putting a bomb to explode it, I'm sending you to the backrooms as a punishment.
No 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 no. Please don't send me to the back rooms. I'm super duper sorry for putting a bomb to explode the school. Please forgive me.
Nope, apology denied. This is what you get for putting a bomb to explode the school. And plus, all of the students will get sent to the hospital because of you. So I'm sending you to the back rooms whether you like it or not. Now goodbye, you stupid teacher with no life.
What's up, dudes? It's me, Tara, and my brother Justin. Do you remember us when we had some spaghetti slicers that we had from Go Foods? Well, it's a bowl full of Takis and hot Cheetos, but we are pretending that it's spaghetti slicers, so don't ask why. But anyways, as Miss Martin got sent to the back rooms for exploding the school by putting a bomb in there, you guys already saw the scene where Miss Martin got sent to the back rooms threshold, and the explosion coming, and then she screams like I show Speed hits puberty when he screams. It made laugh so hard when Miss Martin screams when the explosion's coming from the threshold in the back rooms. But after she dies from the exploding after the officer teleports her to the back rooms, get ready for the next scene about her.
Yeah, I agree with my brother Tara. This is what Adriana gets for exploding the school by putting a bomb in there.
And we're not showing you a full clip nor a live stream of what happened to Miss Martin before she got exploded in the back rooms on the threshold, because it's gonna be waste of time. Miss Martin already died from exploding. But anyways, let's watch a short clip on what happened to Miss Martin after she died from exploding. We're ending this Shakespeare story, and let's continue with the clip, shall we?
Where the hell am I? Oh no, I'm now in the back rooms. How can I get out of here?
Not so fast, you dork.
What the?